Yeah. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. And for this session also, we'll still be treating the topic, the simultaneous equation. Now, in our previous videos, we started this topic a couple of days ago. And we have solved questions under the substitution method, like about 4 or 5 questions under the substitution method. So for today, we want to solve question using the elimination method. Now, so we're given this example, these questions. Like this is like the basic, like the most simplest question and get under this elimination method. So if you are given x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 4. Now, remember, I want to find the value of x and y that satisfy these two equations at the same time. Now, to do this, so for elimination method, that means instead of you eliminate y from the two equations, or you eliminate s from the two equations. So for me, solution. If you have s plus y equals to 10, you call this equation 1 and s minus y equals to 4. So you call this equation 2. Now, to eliminate your s or y, if you want to eliminate your y, that means if we add these two equations together, equation 1 plus equation 2, the y will be gone. So for me, let's write it out. If you add your equation 1 and equation 2 together, that means your s plus s will give you 2s, and y plus minus y, like plus minus y by minus, that's minus. So plus y minus y, that is 0y. So we have no y, so that is 0. That means the y is gone. So for me, you have the 10 plus 4 will give you 14. So when you divide 2 by 2 by 2, your s value will be equals to 7. So that means s equals to 7. Now from here, you can pick any of the two equations and substitute your s equals to 7 in any of these equations. So from equation 1, substitute s equal to 7. So you have s plus y equals to 10. That's your equation 1. So if s is 7, that means you have 7 plus y equals to 10. So your y will be what? 10 minus 7. Then you have y to be equals to 3. That means the value of your s is 7. The value of your y will be equals to 3. So that will be the two numbers that satisfy these two expressions. And the same thing for this other part. If you have 2s plus 3y equals to 19 and s plus y equals to 7, we want to solve using the elimination method. That means you also need to either take away the y from the two equations, or you take away the s from the two equations. So for me, you have 2s plus 3y equals to 19 and s plus y equals to 7. Now, from the two equations, now let's assume we want to take away the s from the first equation here, this equation 1 and this equation 2. Equation 1, the s value is 2s, while equation 2 is just ordinary s. So the first thing you need to do, you need to make the s value in the two equations, they have to be the same, because we want to eliminate the two, we want to eliminate the s. And if you also want to eliminate the y, you need to make the y values in the two equations. It has to be 3y in both. Now note, for this other one, it's just like 1y, 1y. That was why we're able to just eliminate the y directly. Now for me, to do this, you need to multiply your equation 2. If you want to eliminate the s, you need to multiply your equation 2 by 2. So that your 2 multiplied by s will give you 2s. So for me, when you multiply this by 2, then you have what? So you have 2s plus 3y equals to 19, which is still your equation 1. Now your equation 2 becomes what? 2s plus 2y equals to what? And equals to 14. Now that means you have your 2s, you have your 2, then you can subtract the two equations. So if you subtract this, 2s minus 2s, that is 0. Then 3y minus plus 2y, that equals to y. That is 3y minus 2y, that is y. Then your 19 minus 14 give you 5. So automatically from here, your y value is equals to 5. Now to find the s, so from equation 2, from equation 2, substitute y equals to 5. Now this is our original equation 2. So when you substitute your y to be equals to 5, there's x plus y equals 7. When you substitute y to be equals to 5, so you have s plus 5 equals to 7. Then the rest will be what? 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2. So from here, you have s to be equals to 2 and y to be equals to 5. So these are the two numbers that satisfy this expression. And you can equally share. If you put your s equals to 2, s equals to 5, y equals to 5 in this equation, let it be 2 plus 5, you get this. And if you also put your 2 and 5 in the first equation too, you get 19. So that means the values of s and y that satisfy these two equations are 2 and 5. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of videos like this. Thank you.